Hey guys, it's Amy back with another video, and as you know, my videos now usually introduced by slime. So I'm going to tell you all the things that you'll be needing, and I finally got a new gallon of glue. Sorry, this is just like a rusty slime, but it won't get in the way as much because it's actually from my slime that I made yesterday. Not really rusty because, you know, it's good. I made it just yesterday before I went to bed. But the glue you're going to need is, if you want, it's optional. I have some optional lotion, a little sample of lotion, my activated contact lens solution, baking powder, food colorings, my gallon of glue, and my 2 popsicle sticks, and this just in case if I want to pour it instead of putting it from the bottle. So yeah, but that was pretty much all you need. Yeah, so let's get started. First we have to pour in my glue.
Damn. Robert, we ready? That's a shitload.
There, that's good. I also sell slime, so if you guys want to buy slime off my shop, I'll have it down in the description or in one of my descriptions for one of my videos. So, and please turn on those notification bells to be notified every time when I post a new video. My gallon of glue, I got it like 2 days ago, and it's already almost gone. Like, literally, guys. So we're gonna mix the glue, because sometimes when you...
Wow! Shot it right in the shit, bro.
So I have my glue. I'm just mixing my glue. So yeah, because it's sometimes when you get glue, it's a little bit lumpy, like it's already turning into slime, and I don't want that yet. I still haven't added on my. So here's the glue. Now I'm gonna add some food coloring. I don't know what color I want. I think I want to make mine like a light green. So I'm gonna get this green food coloring. You guys could use the little ones, but I like this long one.
Mike, bro, what you
They're
doing,
so
bro? I
much
thought you
better.
gonna light up and shit. What's up?
Sorry, that's just my brother playing Fortnite. And then I'm just closing the food coloring because then it could spill.
Mike, you heard what I said?
So, alright, so now it's time for us to mix that. It's like a teal color. I like it. Just gonna add a little bit of blue to make it like more like teal colored. A little bit more blue. I'm gonna add a little bit blue. Alright, so you could add blue. You could add any color actually. I'm adding a little bit of blue, but you could just leave green. I'm using a little pinch of blue. That's it. That's all you need if you're gonna use the blue and green food coloring. I have a lot of blue and a little bit of green and yellow and red. That's weird. Okay, so mine is turning more like teal. Sorry, I just thought my brother's screaming. So here is like just the color. It's a beautiful color. Hopefully you guys could see that. And yeah, but this is how it looks. Next thing that I want to do is I want to add my lotion. I added almost a cup full, so I'm going to add the whole thing because that's how much lotion you're going to need. If you want yours to be stretchy, I definitely want mine stretchy, so I need to add a lot. That's a song on Musical.ly, so I'll link it in my music. I'll link down my in the description. I'll link down my Musical.ly, so you guys can go check me out on Musical.ly. Sorry, it's just the members are screaming and I can't hear myself. So, yeah, but I'll link it down I'll link down my Musical.ly, my Instagram, and my favorite of all, my Snapchat. So yeah. Well, usually it's Musical.ly because I'm mostly on it, and my likes, and my like app, and my Hypestar, and you know all those apps that people are on social media. If you guys like slime, give this video a give this video, try to get up to like 4 or 5 likes.
Damn, bro.
Press this video 5 times to give it 5 likes. Right here is a little like button, but it says 1, but you could try to put 5. I want to see if that could actually happen, because I never had 5 likes in one video by one single person. You could also go on different social medias to do it, but I'd rather suggest just doing it on your own social media. So I'm adding like all around like a little big batch of it. Like the liquid's like a little batch all over it, which is so cool. Cause like look at that, it's like liquid. It's just like holding it all until it's done. And then after that we'll make another slime.
Oh.
We'll make another one, cause if you guys like this video, up to 5 likes. I'm not. You guys can like this video up to as much as you want, but for the people that want to, you can like try to like this video up to 5, cause I want to see if it can actually happen. By your social media, don't go on anybody else's. Just go on yours. I just want to see yours. And if you go on your social media for 5 likes, then I'll give you guys. I'll give the person that did it a shout out. The first person that did it. So that if you're done when doing that, just put #done. And then after that, you could just say down in the comments what was your favorite part about doing it, like the seconds or however. So I'm gonna do it for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope you did it. And if you did, please leave it down below. #done.
I'm telling you, break it in. They're breaking in.
Alrighty, so I think it's good for us to like knead it with my hands. Not gonna use both.